God just left me wet and torn. The garden of Eden destroyed by Babylon demons. They poured the chlorine with no warning. Granules on the floor freezing. A world war time to explode. I think I'm Marco Polo, government though. Like I'm busy, I put up the post. The one that just was on, I ain't been as close. And all of my friends are now wasn't. I pulled out the replication of the life I was living in the city I once adored.